fulfill our channel customization, we have to enable all customization option. Viewers, we all know how to make YouTube banners, but many people don't know how to set YouTube banners. So viewers, in this video I'll show you how to set YouTube banners. Viewers, you're watching Tasan's Unique Tech YouTube channel. I'm with you, Tasan. So let's start the video. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like this video, share this video with friends, give your feedbacks about the video in the comment box, and smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.